Good morning, it's 4 a.m. and we are here at Altaraz. Altaraz, no? Altaraza. And we're here at Altaraza in Bulacan. We are heading to the gorilla race. I'm with Thea and Alea.
Morning!
So, tinan natin if I'll do 5K or 10K.
10K.
So far,
10K.
I'm in 5K.
10K.
Pero, baka nakakayang mag 5K. Thank you, Jollibee! Yan yung breakfast namin kanina. Ako lang pala. Breakfast ko kanina.
Dalawang spaghetti siya. Grabe!
Dalawang spaghetti, Chicken Joy. As you can see, I'm wearing red. Means that I got convinced to try the 10-kilometer race. I don't know, like I think it's 18 obstacle courses or 20 obstacle courses. Try ko lahat i-take yung video nung mga obstacle courses. And see! Okay, good luck to us! Ready na?
Yeah. Wait.
Ano, ready? So almost done with this camera. Now I'm going to change the GoPro. And ready now for the race. Yeah, gun starts in a short while. 5:30 our gun starts. And then we'll move.
We hope you will have fun, get dirty, and mahirapan po kayo ng sobra.
So yan yung starting line. So we are preparing. All the ones wearing red will be the ones who run first. So yan yung starting line. Tayo natin mag-gun fire. Run na rin ako! Go! Going na! Start na! Third station. Pagod na. I think this station is the Modi Trail. As you can see. Ayan o, putikan. 3 stations done. So, 15 more. Si Alea, hindi niya nagawa. So, ang gagawin niya, she will do a push-up. Others are doing some burpees, but she will do push-up. So, ayan. I don't know kung may pang ilang station na to, pero ayan. Buhat-buhat ang sako. What? Sobrang hirap nun. Once you go up, doon, yung pinakataas, that's the hardest part. You have to flip. Okay, I think 2 more. Daming nagbe-burpees there. Kaya pala marami nagbe-burpees. It's so hard. Wala. Okay, wala rin. Yeah, nagawa ko! Hindi ako burpees. Oh! Tapos! Buhay! 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 Nabuhay! Survive! Dali! Uy, finisher oh! Woo! Yay! Yay! Finish line! Tapos na, tapos na.
Inawitan na namin yung bantala eh.
Congratulations.
Solid yan,
Thank
solid.
you, thank you.
So, congratulations to all the team and to all the organizers of the gorilla race. It was a very, very, very wonderful. Tiring pero masaya. So, okay, next time. Bye.